Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 4. We are learning Unit 2. Its title is Good Friends. Today is lecture 8, my dear fellow teachers. This lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, print it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, under the title of writing, we are going to learn to replace words or phrases. And what is phrase? A group of words. So we can replace words or phrases in a sentence, and we'll cover page number 20 of your book. Before this, in English for grade 3, I have already told you how to place information in sentences. So there are different ways. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video again. And today we'll learn further and we'll cover the SLO to make sentences by replacing words and phrases in given sentences. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Surah Yunus, verse 15, O Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wasallam, say, it is not possible for me to make changes in it on my own. I follow nothing but what is revealed to me. If I disobey my Lord, I fear the punishment of a terrible day. Yes, my dear students, this verse tells us what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying to our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wasallam. Tell to people, I cannot change the words of Quran. So, why? Because it's kalam of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and each and every word, every dot is saved. Okay? And our Prophet is saying, if there is any change, I cannot change it. I fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So, this is kalam of Allah. It cannot be changed. But when we do something, we write something, we make mistakes. Our Quran is flawless, alhamdulillah. But when we are writing something, we make mistakes, or sometimes we want to improve it. Our Quran is perfect. There is no need of improvement. But when it comes to our work, sometimes we want to do it in a better way. So we can change it and we can rewrite. How do we do that? We learn today. And first, you tell us something about your best friend. So teacher, pause the video and make every child to say something about their best friends. Yes, my dear children. Now, have you observed all of you told about your best friend in different way? So what does it tell us? It tells us that same thing. Though you all were talking about your best friend, but you used different words. You expressed in different way. It tells us that we can mention same thing in different ways. Okay? How do we do that? Look at this sentence. I like to read books in my free time. I've written this statement. When I read it, I find it a little simple. So I want to make it better. And I rewrite it in this way. I like to read books in my leisure time. Now you see, I have replaced free time with leisure time because I find leisure a better word. It sounds good. It's a better word. Okay. And now I find this is a long sentence. Why not to make it short? So I write it in this way. Book reading is my hobby, because hobby already means something to do in your leisure time. So this is how we can write a same thing in different ways, right? I'm giving you another example. He quickly puts his coat on. Okay. What else? He briskly put his coat on. Now, quickly, briskly, meaning is same, but the sound different, and briskly is little more fancy, so it sounds better. Okay. What else? He hurriedly put his coat on. Oh, wow. It's another. You see, all these sentences, sense of meaning, they are same. But only the change of word can make it a different sentence. Okay, so this is how we practice it, how we keep changing the words, or a phrase means a group of words in a sentence, and we can rewrite or retell it. Okay, so whatever you have learned, it's an activity time. I'm going to check, do you understand the concept? And what we are going to do in this activity, teacher will divide class in 5 groups. Each group will be assigned a word by teacher. Groups will be given 3 minutes for discussion. They can discuss among each other, and if they use dictionary, it's even better. All right? Means after giving word, they can talk to each other, and they can also, students will be encouraged to use dictionary. Now, one student will use that word in a sentence, and then all the members of that group will keep on making a sentence by replacing that word or phrase, right? And the group with the best sentences will be the winner. So it means that a group which will be more efficient in using dictionary and vocabulary will be the winner of this activity. So how we are going to do it? For example, one of the group is assigned this word beautiful. One student will come and he will use this like this. Peshawar is a beautiful city full of flowers. Now the next student will come and will rephrase it, will replace it like this. Peshawar is a stunning city, and additionally you can do packed with flowers. Now you see, this is more fancy word. Peshawar is a stunning city packed with flowers. And the third student from the same group can write it in this. Peshawar is a magnificent city of flowers. Right? So in this way, you will keep writing, keep replacing. Let's see who wins. So pause the video, enjoy this beautiful activity. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time to practice from your book. All of you open your book on page number 20. It's question number 10. Replace the underlined word and phrases. So in few sentences there are words, in few sentences there are phrases. You have to replace it and with new words in these sentences. You will rephrase these words or phrases and will rewrite these sentences in your notebook. So pause the video and complete this exercise. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job, smart. Now you see how you have increased in your vocabulary and how efficiently you are using your vocabulary. Good job. So it's time for your homework. You will write 8 to 10 sentences about your best friend to form a paragraph using different beautiful words. Okay, so you will use different words, and for that you can use a dictionary to complete this work. And I'm giving you a worksheet. Here, my dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly give printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you will do, here is a word bank and sentences are given. So the highlighted phrases or words will be replaced with the words given in word bank. Look carefully, read carefully, and rewrite these sentences. This is the worksheet, and what we have learned today. We learned that a sentence can be written by replacing words or phrases. And we practiced writing sentences by replacing words and phrases. So in this way, we achieved our today's SLO, that is to make sentences by replacing words and phrases in given sentences. So are we done with it? Yes, and we thoroughly enjoyed doing it. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.